169th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Remember, trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you get that stop in place. For trading on May 12th, Tuesday, 2026, we've got some topics on the board. Omni still thinks we should be buying the dips in even the S&P, NASDAQ, and Russ. The arrow remains green. We are buyers of dips in S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. We'll see what we can get a fill. But right now, Omni's still pointing up, and I've got to love that. Traders, right in the middle of the big mess when the war started, and I called the bottom and gave you guys a target. I wrote, do not fall in love with the downside. I told you it's staying on this board no matter what anyone out there tells you. The charts tell us, don't fall in love with the downside. I wrote my targets, 7,800 resistance, then 80.55. You know, if we go 350 more points, we hit this target already. We're not in June yet. Is this insanity? So we may hit that midsummer. We may hit this in September, but believe it or not, I actually have a secondary target. I didn't bother putting it out because I didn't know if we'd hit 80.55. If we start to get close, I'll pull out my piece of paper and I'll show you the third target and we'll put it on the wall. But we'll worry about that for now. The important thing here is do not fall in love with the downside. It's been on this board since the big drop, and I told you the charts tell me to tell you this, and I have not been afraid to leave it on my board. Now we're trading at 74.50 already. How about that, huh? Number 2 on the board, the Omni trading token is back, traders. I know I spent the last 2 weeks not saying anything. I had to check the coin out. Authorities checked it out. You name it. We were over it, inside of it, outside of it. It is back. I bought a bunch. Everyone's getting back in. Buy your Omni tokens. I will tell you this. I think the asshole that did this called me today pretending to be someone else to ask how things were. I kept them on the phone as long as I could, sent the recording right off to the authorities. They know this asshole. I'm not stupid. I knew I had you on the phone today. That's why I kept talking to you. Authorities got it, baby. We're after you, you moron. Next, gold. All that's glittering is gold. Gold is glittering right now. The charts look good. I want to show that to you. Traders, as far as the Omni token's concerned, there is this. The asshole took my tokens. Some of you Omniacs have donated your tokens to me. Thank you so much. I will say this. If all the Omniacs involved, if you donate tokens to me and build me back up, I will fight for this coin the same way I did the whole time. You must realize, though, I spend 7 days a week, 24 hours a day working that coin, and if I don't have a vested interest in it, why would I do this? So, Omniacs, I love you for sending me what you sent me. If you don't mind, send me a portion. If everybody in this group sends me a portion of their coins, makes me the top holder, I will do what I do to blow this thing up. Again, the influencers are getting back involved. We've got this Omni trading token. I will leave my coin address below. If you've got it in your heart to send me some of your coins so I can help you, please do that. Love you to death. No one's obligated, but let's face it, it's your benefit to make sure that I want to do this, right? And you know I want to do this. You guys know what happened, right? You know how much I love all of you out there. I work my fingers to the bones every day and night. It's all about you guys. I need some help. If you want to send me some tokens, I will, in return, help you get that price much higher. Thank you for everything that you do, OmniX and my Omni trading token. Gold, as I mentioned, looks great. Tesla looks like it wants to go to $4.99. Now, I know that's not a major target, but that's a target, and I'm going to show you this in the chart segment. Now, someone asked me today, Oscar, why, do you think Tesla has a chance of going up any further? And let's get away from the charts for a moment, which look good. Let's step away from the charts. Let's think this. The richest man in the world just got the largest bonus anyone's ever dreamed of. It's so big, I'm afraid to say the numbers without breaking this camera. He's about to go public with the largest IPO that's ever going to take place during his time. Yeah, I think he's got enough money to take care of his little baby Tesla company, don't you? Now, we call it a little baby Tesla company compared to his other big companies, right? Now, you could take all the other car companies and combine them together in the U.S., and they're not as big as his little car company. So, yes, I think he will make sure, with the uncountable trillions he has, that his car company will do well as well. So charts look good, fundamentals look good. Tesla's got a $499 target. I've also got a price target in gold. You're going to see it in the chart segment. In fact, I don't want to waste any more time. I want to get to the chart segment. Remember this, OmniCamp is June 26th through 29th. Omni campers, send me your applications. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now because time's ticking. We got about 6 weeks. Make sure you fill out your applications. I'll call you back personally and we'll see what we can do. Please make sure you fill out those applications if you want to join me here in Las Vegas. It is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 full days working with me in Las Vegas. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now and I will teach you the Omni, Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator. Go to your Omni Bootcamp site now, kids. Fill out the applications. After that, watch the rest of this video because I want to show you some great charts. Are you with me? Traders, we're going to do our mantra and then we're going to go look at some charts. 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are out. Traders, let's go look at some great charts and please make sure you send me those tokens. I promise to take care of you in return. Omniacs, you heard about some interesting charts? Well, here they are. You're looking at the E-mini S&P weekly bar, right? Check this out. This average right here has been a fantastic average for months and months and months on end. In fact, the only time we ever got under that average was the Trump tariffs. Remember when he did tariffs a year and a half, 2 years ago? That's the only time this happened, right? We got under the average just for the tariffs, came back out, held the average, got under it just a little, but back above it, above all-time highs and gangbusters higher. It just looks fantastic here. So we're above the average. The weekly looks fantastic on the E-mini S&P. Let's go look at the daily. No different, right? Look at how beautiful this daily looks. Fantastic look to it. Wants to run. Green Omni for trading on Tuesday. I'm not going to complain. That's E-mini S&P, but look at your NASDAQ. Check this out. NASDAQ, no different. Looks fantastic. Above the channel, just breaking out. Looks as strong as can be. The Russell, too. Look at this. Look how strong the Russell is. Just beautiful. That is a gorgeous looking channel. It's just a beautiful looking chart, and this looks like it should be a bull flag. Now, remember, traders, we've got crude at just about $100 a barrel, and anything that makes crude jump too high will make these guys back off. But remember this. This is all happening during the crude rallying, during the war, during everything bad. All of this is happening. It doesn't matter what the world is throwing at our markets. They are solid, and you can buy the dips. Now, I have a couple of gifts for you I'd like to show you. Look at this guy. Gold. We've got a target. Gold looks bullish. Target 48.97 short-term target from here. Looks like this is a bull flag, and we want to rally out and head towards the top of this apex, if you will. So we've got a target. Now, this isn't the reason for my target, by the way. I've devised a whole bunch of other stuff. Target comes out at 48.97. So somewhere up here is our next short-term target, and then we'll see what gives from there. What else do we have? Traders, the Omni trading token is back. You know, we had a little bit of a mishap 2 weeks ago. I spent the last 2 weeks researching this coin, checking it out with authorities. We have checked it forwards, backwards. It is good. I'm back in. Let's go, Omniacs. Buy your Omni trading token now. I'll do everything in my power to get it right back where it was. Omni trading tokens. Buy them today. The Omni coin address is right below this video. We're back. Go buy your Omni tokens, kids. No joke. I am here. I am excited. Let's make this thing go higher. And what's the other gift I've got for you? Check this out. Tesla. Look at Tesla right now. This is a weekly bar. Tesla's target $4.99 on this weekly bar, maybe higher after that. We'll see. Holding the average, beautifully running up. Tesla looks fantastic. You know, the owner of Tesla, we know him, right? Elon Musk just got the biggest pay package on the planet. He's about to take one of the biggest companies that may ever go public on the planet public. I assure you he's got plenty of money to take care of his little Tesla experiment. So Tesla's looking good here for other reasons, but there is that too, right? The guy's got plenty of money to make sure this works. So I wanted to show that to you. Target $4.99. And I mentioned that we had a $48.97 target coming in gold soon. And remember, go buy your Omni tokens. Buy them now. Traders, thank you for everything you do. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.